Bye.
Alright. So, on my bike, I've got some ODI bar-ins. We'll start from the top and go to the bottom and the back. We got some ODI bar-ins. We got some Colt white grips. But trust me, black is better than white. We got some S&M Perfect 10 bars. We got a Colony squareback stem. I think it's a Federal headset or Federal headset. And we got Colt IC V2 forks. We got a Colt D-Heart, I think, slick tyre. And then we got a Fly Treble rim with some Strictly spokes, and then a Colony Wasp front hub, some Cinema peg. And the frame is a Colt Butter. I think it's a 2016 model or 2015 maybe. It's pretty good, pretty strong. Then we've got S&M seat, I think, possibly, maybe. Or maybe it's Division, I don't know. Then we've got some Colony something or other. What are they? Colony
pedals.
Yeah, Colony pedals. I don't know what they are called. Then we have Total Hangover cranks. Fairly short because they're on special. Then we got a Colony sprocket, Colony CC sprocket.
Yeah.
Then we have the Odyssey chain. It's pretty strong. Then we got the Cinema peg again. Then we got a Odyssey Dugan tyre. That's nice and grippy. Then we got the Colony clone hub with the Colony Pintor contour rim, and then some Colony spokes. Yeah, I suppose that sums it up. Oh, and I think the bottom brackets are Federal as well. Yeah, she spins pretty good.
So, yeah.
I'll head off now.
Go get some clips.
Solid, listen to it, she's solid as. Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Alright, go.
Fuck it, I'ma ride all night. Drive the night until it's 5:30. Drive the hills until I pass that time. Clear my head until I find what's mine. Driving by the streets I hang. She finna call me Drake when my hotline rang. Stays in bed, she don't like my gang. Like a semi-automatic, make her body go bang like. Said that she can feel it, know what feeling different, cause she rockin' with the realest. I know I'm so cold, I don't feel shit. Spent a whole year looking for a real bitch, is that true? I don't know, maybe. Sick of motherfuckers always saying what I can't be. I know everybody's love just ain't free, so I'ma front the bill until they pay me. Yeah.
It's just me, myself and I. Solo ride until I.
You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. She says let's make this open. Relationships are better when